everyone, today we'll show you how to install your Asta kayu wooden wall panels. It's very easy and you can do it yourself. Before we begin, let's identify your panel's connection type. So we have 5 connections. First one, connection A, interlock profile. Connection B, Z profile. Connection C, square profile. Connection D, hexagon profile. Connection E, parallelogram profile. Be sure to check which connection type you have before installation. Step 1. Prepare your surface. Make sure your wall is clean and dry. It helps the wall panel bonds perfectly. Step 2. Prepare the adhesive. You can use wood glue or construction adhesive. Both work perfectly. Step 3. Apply the glue to the back of the panel. And press it firmly onto the wall. Align the panels based on your connection type. For special pattern designs like optical wood and geometric wood collections, follow the layout precisely. For cube mosaic wood and brick wood collections, simply connect each panel in sequence. And you're done! It is that easy. For special patterns, here's a closer look at the installation. Okay, so make sure the point of the hexagon, especially on the black part, is on the bottom. So when you apply, make sure that the dark part of this panel, rustic hexa, is on the bottom and it looks like a diamond shape. Once you're done, you can already see that it looks like a stack of cubes. For hexa kayu, there are 3 elevations. The thickest one, or the highest one, the medium one, and the lowest one. And make sure the thickest part is on the top and it looks like a diamond shape. Align each piece precisely to highlight the design's elegance. So when you apply parallel stack, make sure that the thickest part is on the bottom and it looks like parallelogram. once you are done, you can already see that there is an optical illusion. When you install Romus Natural, make sure that these two little triangles are at the corner. So this one and this one. Once you are done, you can already see that it really looks like a diamond shape in the middle and a bigger diamond shape on the outer. And you're done. For interlock connection, make sure it is aligned like a puzzle. The same like interlock, make sure it is aligned like a puzzle. We hope this guide helps you create your own beautiful space with Asta kayu. Thank you for watching and enjoy your stunning new walls. Bye!